Hey. Today I'm not doing any dance tutorials. I'm just here to show my beautiful self and talk about our new tutorial. As promised, I'm here again, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make fabric earrings. So they're like fashion fabric earrings. You guys know when the tassel earrings were really in fashion, everybody was wearing it, hair, you know. I saw on a fellow YouTuber's page a set of dropping earrings she did, and I said, this is quite unique. I actually need to show it to you guys. Hence what I created, hence the tutorial today. Stay tuned, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Kindly subscribe, comment, like, share, just share the video. Hey guys, so for the drop-in earrings, we're going to use Ankara. We're going to be using this little cute things, and then we're going to be using UHG. Let's start.
But I've seen a patient dog where no getting old, and a hard-working man where be like E-bone. My point be say, this life you see, it no be mathematics, not time to see this. Oh God today, let them shell online. Me God today, it become on God. So many things we can't explain. The wise man say happens for a reason. I have see what to be saying. Yeah, to the many things I no go fit cover. I take life easy, baye mola. A lot of cover. Many things I no go fit cover. I live my life to you, baye mola. Whether you get jabby, hunger, just take a easy body. I ole. Bori back when you let on the go day. And if I'm there, my people say what's good for the goose is good for the gander. You run la. Aboki say Alaba Musa for Ashiri. Ototo shani kadarao for real molola. So make you take your time, live your life, no compare. That's all I busy. Many things I know go fit cover. I take life easy, baye mola. I don't run for all the way cover. Many things I know go fit cover. I live my life to you, baye mola. Kirakita Udola Afenitulu Abafushi Life na jejere. Aye gbege o, àfọwọ́ bá filẹ̀ láyé o. Ọ̀rẹ́ o, bíríbírí láyé yìí. Aye gbege o, àfọwọ́ bá filẹ̀ láyé o. Ọ̀rẹ́ o, bíríbírí láyé yìí. Aye gbege. Ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nù wé kọ́bọ̀. Many things I no go fit cover. I take life easy, baye mola. A lot of fun way cover. Many things I no go fit cover. I live my life to you, baye mola. Whether you get jabby, hunger, just take a easy body. Aye ole. Bori back when you let on the go day. And if I'm there, my people say what's good for the goose is good for the gander. You run la. Aboki say Alaba Musa for Ashiri. Ototo shani kadarao for real molola. So make you take your time, live your life, no compare. Brother, that's all I busy. Many things I no go fit to cover. I take life easy, baye mola, baye mola, baye mola.
Hey people, how was it? I'm really trying to put on my earrings right now so I can actually show you guys how it really looks on me. Here you go. The hook isn't working, but yeah, just want to do something. Here you go. It is really that simple and easy. You should try it for yourself. And if you're looking for how to style this kind of earrings with your hair to the back, literally can wear your hair dropping, you know what, be you, do you. Be nice, showing you guys how to make this awesome set of earrings. Let me know how you get on with it. I don't know when the next video will be up, but let's give ourselves, since it's bi-monthly, next month expect a new video. Love you guys. Hey,